Hello. For this class, we're going to be talking about emotions vocabulary. So let's go right into it. Happy. I feel happy when I spend time with my family. Excited. She was excited about her upcoming vacation. Grateful. I am grateful for all the love and support I receive. Proud. He felt proud after winning the competition. Confident. He walked into the interview feeling confident. Loved. He felt loved when his friends threw him a surprise party. Hopeful. Despite the challenges, she remained hopeful about the future. Calm. Meditation helps me stay calm in stressful situations. Relieved. I was relieved to hear that my test results were good. Cheerful. The little boy was cheerful as he played in the park. Sad. She felt sad after hearing the bad news. Angry. He was angry when someone scratched his car. Lonely. Living in a new city made her feel lonely. Jealous. He felt jealous when his friend got a new bike. Guilty. She felt guilty for forgetting her friend's birthday. Annoyed. The loud music from the next door made me annoyed. Frustrated. He was frustrated after trying to fix his computer for hours. Embarrassed. I was embarrassed when I tipped in front of everyone. Disappointed. She felt disappointed when her team lost the game. Afraid. He was afraid of speaking in front of a large crowd. Curious. The child was curious about how birds fly. Confused. I was confused by the complicated instructions. Nostalgic. Looking at old photos made her feel nostalgic. Indifferent. He seemed indifferent about outcome of the game. Surprised. She was surprised when her friends threw her a birthday party. Bored. He felt bored sitting in the long meeting. Affectionate. The puppy was very affectionate and loved cuddles. Romantic. They had a romantic dinner by the beach. Passionate. He's passionate about painting and spent hours on his artwork. Caring. She is very caring person who always helps others. Protective. He felt protective of his younger sister. Worried. She was worried about her final exams. Nervous. He felt nervous before his first stage performance. Terrified. She was terrified of spiders. Panicked. He panicked when he couldn't find his passport. Hesitant. She was hesitant to try a new type of food. Irritated. The constant noise from the construction made him irritated. Resentful. She felt resentful that her efforts were not appreciated. Furious. He was furious when someone took his parking spot. Impatient. She became impatient, waiting in long queue. Defensive. He got defensive when asked about his mistakes. Heartbroken. She felt heartbroken after her pet passed away. Miserable. She was miserable during the rainy weekend. Hopeless. After multiple failures, he felt completely hopeless. Regretful. She felt regretful about not studying harder for the test.